in conversation with one of the most beautiful actresses in the film industry in this country. Her film, which is coming up next, is called Kamine. So, you know what I'm talking about? Dan, it's Priyanka Chopra. Thank you so much for talking to us, Priyanka.
Thank you, Vikram. I love that introduction, by the way. It's nice.
No, I mean, that music of the film is amazing. What do you think?
I love the music of Kamine. It's brilliant. In fact, when first Vishal made us hear it, I was blown by it. Since then, and at the rap party of Kamine, we have played Dan some 35 times. That's all we play.
Oh, brilliant role. I mean, that Sweetie looks quite sweet.
Well, she's hardly sweet.
Okay.
Everybody in the film is quite a Kamina, actually. Sweetie is she's sweet. She does everything out of the goodness of her heart, for sure. But, she just ends up getting in trouble all the time.
Okay.
And I think she's an adorable character. Very, very different from what I've played. I mean, to play a Maharashtrian girl for a Punjabi girl is very difficult. But, in terms of language, body language, to do all of that was very tough on me.
Okay.
But I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that people see me playing a convincing part.
But you've been in Mumbai for some time now, so have you caught up with the language? I mean, how was it? How did you prepare for it?
Not at all. Actually, I don't know Marathi at all. But for the film, I had to learn it. I had a dialect coach with me at all times, who became like my Siamese twin.
Okay.
I used to constantly keep her with me, and I wouldn't be able to give a shot if she wasn't around. Because I constantly need her to give me validation of the fact that my accent was correct. Because actually, Hindi film hai. It's not a Marathi film, so I'm not speaking in Marathi as much. But to speak Hindi in a Marathi way was what was more difficult.
Okay.
Have had like little things that might make sprinkling of Maharashtrian traits. So all that was really, really difficult. But Sweetie is such a fun character. I mean, she just knows how to get what she wants in life, and she gets it.
The previous films that we've seen of Vishal Bhardwaj, I mean, be it Omkara or Maqbool, he's taken typical Bollywood characters and changed them around. Like what he did to Saif Ali Khan. I still remember Langda Tyagi, and so does everyone else.
Yeah.
So do you think that'll happen to Sweetie also? Has he managed to do that?
I have no idea. I have no objectivity when it comes to my own characters or my own films, for that matter. I love every film I do. I think they are genius films, whether they do well or not. And that's the only way I can, be convincing and believe in the films that I work on. So I think Kamine is a brilliant film. Vishal Bhardwaj, I consider myself extremely fortunate to have worked under a director like that, because I have changed as an actor after working with him. Okay. Learning to bring out the honesty of an emotion is what I've learned from him. And I'm fortunate to have done that. So I think the film brings out the honesty of every character that is portrayed in the movie. It's fun. It's 2 hours. It goes by like this. It's shot in a really quick way. It's beautiful. It's very differently shot. You won't see a Hindi film. It's not conventionally कि इसके shoulder के ऊपर से उसका close up और उसके shoulder के ऊपर से इसका close up. It's just like the pace of the film is the way it's been shot, and that's what's brilliant about it.
So what has been the one film that you've really loved in your career?
I feel like I've been doing films for some 20 years. Because I have done so many films in only about 5-6 years,
True.
So I feel like, man, because I haven't taken a holiday even once.
Okay.
I've worked every day. I've had 5 films releasing almost every year. So I feel like I've been working for an eternity. Some people's careers are as long as, like the amount of films they've done in their career is as long as mine in 5-6 years. So, but I'm very excited to have worked with such an array of filmmakers, co-stars, the kind of parts that I've done. Every film I do something different. I'm not, repeating myself anywhere. And I think that's a huge challenge for an actor, and I'm very fortunate to be able to get that.
It did work last year. You won everything last year. And so?
Yeah. Yeah, it was quite cool.
No, but especially coming from a point where people were saying that, okay, a lot of films are not doing well. And then suddenly this one year Priyanka said, okay, now watch this.
No, I can't do movies thinking that, I have to just know that this is a film I'm going to watch. If I read a script and I feel like, I really would love to watch this movie, then I do it. Because I have to believe in a film, not just my role. And that's exactly what's happened with Kamine. I believe in the film so much more than my part, actually. Last year was a genius year for me. It was brilliant. I'm winning 10 awards in 6 months, and the accolades and the compliments and people loving my work. Eventually, what does an actor work for? Yeah, you want people to come out of a film saying, dude, you were so good in your character. I live for that.